Hi everyone, good morning to all. Welcome back to science class. Myself Vireshan. In the last session, already we have discussed about the chemical effect of electric current, and we are already studied about the basic concepts of electric current. So in the last session, very important is whether liquids conduct electricity or not. Yes, of course, liquids conduct electricity. At what condition the liquids conduct electricity? When the liquids contain or the liquids are the solutions of acids, bases and salts, then only the liquids conduct electricity. But most of the liquids conduct electricity are the solutions of the acids, bases and the salts. Dear students, yesterday I explained about one simple experiment, that is conduction of electricity in liquid. So I took in the lemon juice or in the case of lemon solution, right? So in the lemon solution, when we connect the positive and the negative terminal, the electricity is flowing and the bulb glows. So when the bulb glows, we come to know the liquids 100% passes the electricity through them. But do you know, students, how the electricity flowing through the circuit and how the bulb glows? Let's discuss one by one. So, do you remember why the bulb glows when the electric current passes through it? So, this is possible of due to the heating effect of electric current. Due to the heating effect of electric current. Due to the heating effect of electric current. So here, heating effect of electric current. So very simple. Now this is the bulb and this is the battery and switch. So this is a switch. It is closed switch now. This is a battery. This is positive and this is negative. The I is a current and this is a bulb. So when the bulb glows, you come to know the electricity is flowing through the conductor, right? But how? How it is possible? So this is possible of what? Heating effect of electric current. What is heating effect of electric current? The students, do you know almost all in the filament lamp or in the filament bulb? So now this is called the filament. This is called as the filament. So in the electric bulb, main is the filament. What is the filament? Filament is nothing but the thread-like structure. It's a thread-like structure. But here tungsten we are using. The filament is made up of what? Tungsten. Tungsten is a filament. Tungsten filament is using in the bulb. It has a high melting point. It has a high melting point using in the case of electric bulb. What happens when electricity is passes through the circuit or conducting material? It passes through the bulb. then the electricity is increase the temperature of the filament. When the filament is increase, or temperature of the filament is when increases, the bulb starts to glowing. The bulb start to glowing is called as a heating effect of electric current. So before going to that mainly, so how the heating effect is produced in the circuit? It is mainly because of what? The battery or the cell. The cell or the battery are the main sources of electricity, and when we connect the battery or cell, the cell or battery produces the potential difference across its ends of the terminals. Once I will repeat, my dear students, listen carefully. Mainly heating effect of electric current is mainly produced by the battery or the cell. The battery or the cell produce the potential difference across its ends of the terminals, and these potential difference set the electrons to move. Set the electrons to move or in the motion. When the electrons are moving in the circuit is called as the flow of electric currents. But here the source means the battery or cell. The source of electricity like battery or the cell continuously expending the energy. Then how they expending the energy? The part of the energy is useful to work up the bulb or rotate fan, to glow the bulbs, or to rotate the fans, or switch on TV. Many electronic appliances are useful by the energy, but remaining part of the energy is utilized to heat the appliances. To heat the appliances or to raise the temperature of the appliances. That's why here the tungsten wire become glowing because of what? Here most of the electric energy is utilized to increase the temperature of the tungsten filament, then it starts to glowing. So main is the battery or the cell to produce the heating effect of the electric current. The students, electric iron box, electric toaster, and one more example, electric fan becomes warm if we use it continuously for a longer time. So this is the heating effect of electric current. So what is the main definition of the heating effect of electric current? The source of energy is continuously dissipated entirely in the form of heat is called as the heating effect of electric current. Here, heating effect of electric current. The source of the energy continuously gets dissipated entirely in the form of heat is called as heating effect of electric current. Here, the source of energy means what? Battery or the cell continuously gets dissipated. Here, dissipated means distribute, spread entirely in the form of heat is called as heating effect of electric current. For example, I said already, when we use the electric fan for a long time, it become warm. Or electric iron box, electric toaster. So many electronic appliances are there which experience the heating effect of electric current. Dear students, today we learned about the heating effect of electric current, mainly in the chemical effect of electric current. Watch video carefully and answer to my question. Remaining concepts we will discuss in the next session.